Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack an Audi A3. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Consulting your owner's manual for specific jacking points is crucial. Remember, once the car is lifted, always use robust jack stands for support. Never rely solely on the jack. Now, let's locate the correct jacking points on your Audi A3. You will find 4 reinforced points along the vehicle's side sills, usually indicated by small arrows or subtle indentations. These specific areas are engineered to safely support the car's weight. It is vital to position your jack precisely on these points. Never place the jack on any plastic trim, exhaust pipes, or suspension components, as this can cause significant damage or instability. With your jack point identified, position your floor jack directly underneath it. Begin to slowly pump the jack handle, steadily raising the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. Once at the desired height, carefully slide 2 sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, adjacent to the jack. Ensure they are firmly seated before proceeding to the next step. To safely lower your Audi A3 first, slightly raise the vehicle again with the floor jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from their positions under the car. Now, slowly and steadily release the jack, allowing the vehicle to descend gently until all 4 wheels are firmly on the ground. Finally, remove the floor jack and any wheel chocks and double-check your work before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.